Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by defining the exact goal and limits so outputs stay useful and safe. Once done, pick a vetted model and provider based on privacy and cost. Make sure to note latency and access controls. Then, prepare a minimal dataset. Anonymize or remove PII, reduce sensitive attributes, and keep only what you need. You act now, don't overcollect. This reduces risk and speeds iteration, and it makes later validation far simpler and more defensible. Next, design concrete controls that shape model behavior and record what happens. Start by creating prompt templates and explicit guardrails that include role instructions and constraints. This reduces hallucination and scope drift. Simultaneously, implement engineering controls, rate limits, input validation, logging, and role-based access so mistakes don't propagate. Then set clear metrics for evaluation, accuracy, bias checks, and incident counts so you can measure improvement. Finally, deploy in phases. Pilot, limited release, then full release so you can catch issues early. You should monitor logs, set up feedback loops with users, and enable automated safety alerts. Make sure to review both quantitative metrics and qualitative examples. If problems arise, execute your rollback plan and remediation steps immediately and notify stakeholders. One troubleshooting tip. If outputs drift or show bias, freeze the model variant. Gather failing examples and retrain or tighten prompts before resuming.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.